Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 9th of August 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 was pretty much unchanged today, ending the session at 7,538 points. While the bottom line didn't do much, there was plenty of movement within the index as earnings season kicked into gear. The banks all did well today, with ANZ leading the way up 1.4%, Commonwealth Bank was up 1.2%, while Westpac and National Australia Bank were both nearly 1% higher. In large part, that was thanks to Suncorp. The insurance and banking group's share price jumped 7.8% after it unveiled a better-than-expected profit, aided by higher premiums and fewer bad debts. Its success augurs well for the other insurers too. And Insurance Australia Group jumped 4.6% today, while QBE was up 3.2%. Others among the large caps to do well, including Macquarie Group, Telstra, and property giant Goodman Group. However, most of the large companies went backwards today. The three big miners were lower as iron ore prices remained softer than they've been. CSL was off, and so too the big retailers. After a sterling week last week, many of the tech stocks were lower, with Afterpay dropping 1.6% and Xero down 0.9%. The worst performer on the top 200 was News Corp, which fell almost 8%. That's the same amount as it rose last week after unveiling a record profit. Other poor performers on the market were the gold stocks, including Ramelius Resources and Gold Road Resources, both down around 5%. The price of the precious metal has tumbled in recent sessions, down 4% over the past week to around $1,740 an ounce. That sent gold stocks lower, and today's market leader Newcrest finished down 2.7%. In other corporate news, toll road operator Transurban announced a $3.3 billion profit thanks to the sale of half of its toll road business in the US, but the cost of the Westgate Tunnel in Melbourne had blown out to $3.3 billion. Bulk haulage business Aurizon said it wanted to diversify away from coal, in part because of investor pressure to stop shifting fossil fuels. National Australia Bank will buy Citi's consumer business, which includes $12.2 billion in loans and $9 billion in deposits. Australia's third biggest bank will pay $1.2 billion for the assets, and around 800 Citi employees will become part of the NAB business. There was some good COVID news today. The Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, said the Moderna vaccine had been approved for use in Australia, and 10 million doses will arrive by the end of the year. New South Wales recorded 283 new cases today, and Byron Bay in the north of New South Wales will go into a snap lockdown from 6 p.m. this evening. The Aussie dollar is buying 73.6 US cents. That's about it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 9th of August 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.